B2B Cambodia, the portal for business use in Cambodia.
And what types of people and businesses are you building Monflow for? Who do you think is set to benefit the most?
There are a lot of people who want to have exposure to crypto assets, but they don't know how to start. And with us, they can start very easily without having technical know-how. So now I've only been talking about the Web3 bank account, but we also have other features within our application. Another feature is exchange feature. You can exchange your crypto euros within our platform directly for other crypto assets like Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and many others. So for those people who want to have exposure to crypto assets but don't understand how it works, the Monflow is a very good solution. Secondly, a lot of companies in Europe, they cannot open a bank account if they are involved with crypto activities. To give an example, around 15% of crypto companies in Europe can open a bank account, which is a shame because maybe they don't do anything illegal, right? So even we at Monflow, we were rejected by 8 banks.
Oh, wow.
Why? Only because we were involved with crypto activities. And we are licensed in the Netherlands. This actually forced me to think about, okay, what can I do to change this? And that sparked the idea of creating the Web3 bank account. If they would have given me a bank account from the start, I would not have built something that actually competes with what they are doing. So that is a second very interesting target group. Third target group are people who want to have financial self-sovereignty. They want to be financially autonomous. They want to have full insights that their assets are really there. And with us, every stablecoin euro is collateralized. So actually over-collateralized with 1 or 2%. And you can always see on the blockchain that it's there. Unlike regular banks, because with banks, they can loan out your money without you knowing it. So there's a risk involved. But with us, we don't loan out your money. So it is always there. So for those people who are looking for safety, who are looking for financial sovereignty, Monflow is a very good solution. It is very important for us to know who our customers are. So everyone who wants to become a customer at Monflow, they need to go through what we call a KYC process, know your customer process. We ask you questions like your name, your birth date, also your potential investment amount. And based on that, we can build a risk profile for you. This risk profile is also very important for us to apply to anti-money laundering services. What's very important for us is we don't want to have illegal money coming into our platform. So we have built systems that allow us to find out if you're on the sanctions list or not, also to do analytics on the blockchain to see if maybe your transactions are coming from illegitimate sources. So we are fully regulated, and this is required for you to have a license.
What would you say are the biggest misconceptions that currently exist about Web3 and crypto, and how would you like to maybe clear up those misconceptions or address them?
Well, there are still people who say that crypto is a scam, it is a fad, it's just a trend that will fade away. That's not true. In the United States, they signed the Genius Act. The Genius Act actually encourages the USD stablecoin. And I understand why the United States want to do that. Because if you issue a USD stablecoin, the fiat USD is partly used to buy government bonds, US government bonds. So for the United States, this is a very, very nice way for them to finance their debt. And the European Central Bank recently said that, okay, we need to encourage people or companies that are going to issue euro stablecoins as a counter movement against the big usage of the USD stablecoin. Because they are afraid that if all the Europeans are going to start using the USD stablecoins because it's much faster, cheaper transactions and so forth, that more money is moving away from the euro to the USD. So strengthening the USD and weakening the euro. So that is a very strong geopolitical decision that is right now being played. I think that no matter what, you cannot get away with this new technology. A lot of countries at the start, when blockchain emerged and when crypto emerged, tried to block crypto and tried to block blockchain developments. but they were not able to do that. The technology is decentralized. It is impossible to put it back in the jar. So what I want to say is, one, crypto is not a scam. Adoption is really coming. Mass adoption is definitely coming. There's now more than 250 billion in stable coins. I think that last year, around 34 trillion was settled in stable coins. That is more than Visa and MasterCard settling combined. Every financial institution needs to have a stablecoin strategy. They need to move to crypto and blockchain. Otherwise, they will miss out on the action and they may face too much competition and therefore they may die out.
Can you share what is your long-term vision for the future as well as for the future of digital finance in general?
Digital finance cannot be stopped. The future of Monflow is that we want to make Web3 bank accounts more accessible to other parts in the world as well. Right now, we hold a license in the Netherlands, so we can have Dutch customers. I believe that within a month, so by September 2025, we have a license for all of Europe. Well, the European Union. And then everyone in the European Union can become a customer of Monflow. But we're also looking beyond Europe. We're looking at Cambodia. We're looking at the United States. So I hope that within 5 years' time, we can have customers all over the world who are going to do payments and do payments through stable coins and give them more exposure to crypto assets if they want.
Thank you so much for your time today, Chhay. It was a very enlightening conversation. I think we've learned a lot about Web3 banking as well as crypto, and really looking forward to seeing Monflow expanding more in Europe and maybe one day coming here to Cambodia as well.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You've been with B2B Cambodia. Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we continue to bring you more news, updates, and developments from the business community in the Kingdom of Cambodia.